love most about the PTSB Ideal Homes is the variety. With over 230 exhibitors, it's the perfect place to explore your renovation ideas, find inspiration and learn more about retrofit options. And it's great to have the PTSB team here too, ready to chat, answer questions and help people navigate their home journey every step of the way.
We find this is a great way to showcase what's new in Dunnes stores each season and to really engage with our customers and get their feedback as well. It's great doing the PTSB Ideal Home Show. We've done it so many times and we're really looking forward to coming back for the autumn show and to bring in new products for our customers to see what we have coming for Christmas.
So another great thing about this show is we tend to do a lot of networking at the show. We do a lot of business and we also get a lot of future follow-up business from this show. It's a great opportunity for us to get to meet lots of interior designers, architects and people from all over the country. You can meet them all under one roof.
We've been coming to the show for about 10 years. It's a great way to keep your business name out there. And what we find that if we were not to be here, people would probably miss us and wonder where we are, you know. We look forward to it every year.
It's a great opportunity for us as a manufacturer to get out in front of the customers, and it's a great opportunity for the customers to get interacting with us, to ask questions for their new homes, their new builds and any queries that they may have.
We've been exhibiting at the show for many years. It's always one of our busiest home energy upgrade events. It's really, really worthwhile, especially now since the announcement of increased grants and additional grants for windows and doors. We've a lot of people coming to this show. It's really valuable for SCAI and a really good opportunity for us to talk face-to-face with homeowners and find out what they need, what information they need and help them start their own energy upgrade journey.
Absolutely love the show. I think it's very, very important to interact with customers. 30,000 customers in total, which is fantastic for any company. It's great exposure. It's great to show people where we are, what we're about, and have that conversation with everybody.
The volume and quality so far has been positive. We obviously had some quality leads in terms of what we would hope to follow up over the coming weeks, but overall the experience has been very positive.
It's great being able to bring our room here. It helps let people see exactly what they're buying or what they're interested in, you know, seeing our different finishes. Yeah, the show's great for business. We got a lot of great response from the show. It definitely helps our sales throughout the year, especially over the next few weeks.
The PTSB Ideal Home Show has been great for SKC providers. We couldn't recommend it any more highly enough, and it's been wonderful responses throughout. It's a fantastic day out and a fantastic show for people, a fantastic opportunity for SKC providers to go to the public and to trade.
So a question that we frequently get asked is, would we recommend the PTSB Ideal Home Show to anyone else? The answer is absolutely. If you're thinking about doing it, it's on twice a year, massive footfall at every show and fantastic opportunity to get your product out there into the market. Whether it's an existing product or a new product, this is the show to be at.